Alright, here we go, guys. We got Daryl's no min, no max for this big 200 card lot. Is it 200 cards? I think something like that. Yeah, 200 card plus lot, 22 autos, 15 jerseys, and 165 plus inserts and rookies. We're gonna run this list 3 times, guys. Top spot after 3 wins the card. Let's get the list here. Scott Weber for 10 on the bottom. Scott Weber for 5 on the top. Good luck, guys. Right, live in the chat. Live at 211. 211 just approached 212. Copy the list over here. Scott on the bottom. Slowly scroll up. Josh for 20. Melissa for 40. Corey for 20, Scott for 5, Thomas for 7, Andrew for 7, Eddie for 7, and Scott for 5. Good luck, guys. 3 times. Winner after 3, timestamps after 2 and 3. Good luck. Second time, Josh on top after 2. First timestamp is in at... Come on. There we go. 212. 212 approaching 213. Third and final time, guys. Winner of the lot is Scott Weber. With 5 spots. I think he had 20 total. Congratulations to you. Copy the final timestamp over. And verification code. It is in at 213. 213. We ran it 3 times, guys. That is your winner 3 times. Scott, congratulations. Get your information over to Daryl and he'll get that right out to you guys. Cheers. Have a good rest of your afternoon.